In this video, you will learn food in English vocabulary with simple and useful English words. If you want to learn English, improve your English vocabulary, and speak English confidently, this lesson is perfect for you. We will cover food vocabulary in English, including food and drinks, to help your English speaking practice. This is a great way of learning English through daily use examples. So, let's start and make your vocabulary strong with easy and practical learning.
Sour. Having an acidic taste like lemon or vinegar. Is the lemonade sour? Yes, the lemonade is quite sour. Sweet. Having a pleasant taste like sugar. Is the cake sweet? Yes, the cake is very sweet. Unripe. Not fully developed or ready to eat. Are the bananas ready to eat? No, the bananas are unripe at the moment. Ripe. Fully developed and ready to eat. How about these bananas? These bananas are perfectly ripe and delicious. Rotten. Decayed and spoiled. How are these bananas? These bananas are rotten, unfortunately. Stale. Not fresh. How's the bread? The bread has gone stale. It's not fresh anymore. Fresh. Having a clean, natural taste. Are the strawberries fresh? Yes, they taste very fresh. Spicy. Having a strong, hot flavor. Are these tacos spicy? Yes, they are quite spicy. Bitter. Having a sharp, unpleasant taste. Did you find the coffee bitter? Yes, the coffee was a bit bitter. Salty. Having a taste like salt. Are the fries salty? Yes, they are a bit too salty. Mild. Not strong in taste or flavor. Is the curry spicy? No, it's very mild. Savory. Having a rich and satisfying flavor. How's the lasagna? It's really savory and delicious. Tangy. Having a sharp, zesty flavor. How's the salad dressing? It's tangy and refreshing. Rich. Having a full, luxurious taste. How's the chocolate cake? It's really rich and decadent. Juicy. Full of juice, Succulent. How's the watermelon? It's juicy and refreshing. Crispy. Having a crunchy, firm texture. How are the fries? They are crispy and delicious. Creamy. Having a smooth, velvety texture and taste. How's the mashed potatoes? They are creamy and buttery. Zesty. Having a strong, pleasant, slightly spicy flavor. How's the salsa? It's zesty and packed with flavor. Earthy. Having a natural, rustic taste. How's the mushroom soup? It's earthy and comforting.
Like the video, share with friends, subscribe to AlokiQ.